To rapidly restore a world in great need of regeneration, small actions grow up quickly. One of the most magical projects in the garden is to make more trees and shrubs from the plants already growing around us. We can be gardeners in service of biodiversity, of local food security, of life itself. One of the easiest ways to propagate many new plants quickly, to create food forests that feed us all right where we live, is to take cuttings from last year's shoots while plants are still dormant in late winter. I made a little film I'll link below, in which I start elder, gooseberry, currant, and a Juliet bush cherry that needn't be grafted to rootstock. In late winter's dormancy, we clean our secateurs and make a willow tea for its beneficial plant propagating qualities. Then we take cuttings of last year's growth. A couple of top buds are left to sprout, the others rubbed away, a gentle scrape down to green cambium for good measure. Pot it, label it, water with the willow infusion, then keep new roots damp till autumn planting. We like to swap cuttings with neighbors and friends, participating in the abundance of a non-monetary community economy. I've been swapping grape cuttings too, as I'm pruning an enormous grapevine, starlet of the long-form film. Look out for more about that soon. Before spring arrives in earnest, we start a small nursery and tend it all summer till roots are strong and plants can be planted out come rainy autumn days. It sometimes feels like we are powerless to make real change, but it matters when we turn our attention to small life-affirming acts, like making more plants that support biodiversity and food security, and so co-create the conditions for a flourishing world. This is the small work. Come over to appleturnover.substack.com, have a look at the films I've mentioned, and let me know if you'd like a long-form film about different kinds of propagation, like grafting and layering. I'd love to hear what you're propagating in your world. I'm Elisa Rathje at Apple Turnover, and this is the Journal of Small Work.